In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use outreach or sequence on FlashRev. So you go to outreach and choose sequence. You click add sequence here, and you can choose all these channels from email, call, messages, LinkedIn, and tasks. Now we choose email as an example. And if you choose a personalized email, which means you write a prompt for AI, and then AI will create personalized email one by one. And you save step. Then now you see that you created a step here, and you press plus button to add another one. For example, you can choose message, and you select SMS only, iMessage only, or these options. Now we're going to go with SMS only, and you create a text here, and you can also add a variables here as well. And you save and create template. Here, test one, confirm. Then you now created this SMS step as well. Then you press save. Now you have the sequence that you created right now. And you can also choose to add like calls on LinkedIn on the sequence, but that's for another video. Now that you created a sequence, let's add a list to the sequence. So you go to the list and open it up, and then you choose which contacts you want to add to the sequence, and you add into the sequence. Right now, you see the sequence that you created. Then you choose which email boxes you want to send out these emails from to these contacts, and you press add contacts. Then you successfully add contacts to this sequence. Now, I recommend you to pause this sequence because it's going to automatically send out emails, or they set out sequences to these prospects. So if you want to avoid that, please make sure to pause it. Now, let's go to messages here and see the SMS back and forth within the platform. So if you send an SMS and a prospect reply back to you, you can now see the back and forth messages here, and you can reply here and send these kind of things. This is how you use outreach, especially emails and SMS. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.